Hi everyone, this is the second video in the chess piece set. I've just put one of that small burrs that I stabilised. I've just put it into the bottom of here, bit of tape on the top of it, and I'm going to be pouring in some, I'm going to be using some ocean blue, which is, this is just a tester really to see what it comes out like, but I'm thinking that it'll be ocean blue, maybe the backdrop to this. So I'm also casting rings and stuff at the same time, so you'll see a couple of bits going on here. But basically I've got the resin ready. It's amazing casting resin, which is the resin I use of choice from Metal Clays. So I've got, it's about 130 mils in each pot. I'm just going to mix it up. We'll get the ocean blue going and we'll see what it looks like. I'm just basically going to use a dipper onto the lid with a toothpick. So that's what I'm going to do now. It's just a quick mix up, and then all we're going to do is when we demold this is polish it, and I shall possibly cut it down to the two halves, but I'm not sure yet because this one is just going to be going off. No, I will do, because at least it finishes this video. Oh, I could do that bit after. I'm going to mix it up and we'll get the resin into this. This is the first of the chess pieces. Okay, I think it's got enough depth in that, because once I cut them we want to at least be able to still see the colour. So although I think that's enough, I don't think it's too much there. So should get this poured in, and she'll get it in a pressure pot. We'll be seeing what it looks like. It needs to go in a pressure pot, because especially the way I'm stirring, it's that vigorous, there's loads of bubbles in it. Okay, that's it done. Can't see through the resin at the minute, but by the time we demold it we should be able to. I'll get that in the pressure pot, and we'll come back when it comes to demolding. Okay, that's the the first one done and complete. Yeah, we've got some rounding over at edges, but it doesn't matter for this project. This project is it's perfect for that, so I'm not too bothered about any of that. I'm going to get it cut up and cleaned up, because this is actually going to make a central with me. So I'm going to clean it up, and I shall pop up some pictures at the end of it all complete. The next video in the series will be me turning this into the first chest piece. That'll hopefully come a couple of weeks after this one. I'm just doing them in small stages as we do this, but I shall post some pictures up, because I think that the colour will show through quite nicely on this. I'm just basically going to cut it in half, sand it down all around, and probably put it on a buffing wheel, because I need it to be shining for where I'm going next week. Would I normally do that with these? No. These basically, when it comes to me making a chest pieces, at this point it'll be cut in half, mounted on the lathe, and I'll be ready to go. There'll be no cleaning up until the end product is finished, but because I've taken this one to make a central, I need to tidy and clean it up, and because of that I shall post the pictures to you just after this.